Ahlan everyone. Today I am back again with another interesting recipe of rasmalai. It's an Indian dessert which is loved by everyone, though to be young, old or kids, anyone. Everyone loves it. So let's start. You need 1 cup of milk powder, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 large egg, 8 tablespoon of sugar, 5 cardamom pods, 1 pinch of ground cardamom, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour, 2 pinch saffron, 1/4 cup slivered pistachios, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 liter of full cream milk, and that's it. These are the ingredients which we can find in our kitchen shelves, and it's ready and we can start our recipe now. You need a pot or a pan to boil the milk. Add 1 liter of milk into the pan and let it simmer. To the milk, add 8 tablespoons of sugar. Also add 2 pinch of saffron. Crush a little so that all the goodness of saffron is into the milk. Add 5 cardamom pods into it. It gives a good aroma to this milk. Let the milk cook for some time. In a bowl, add 1 cup of milk powder, full fat milk powder. See that there are no lumps into it. If they are, just crush it with the help of fork. To this, add 1 pinch of cardamom powder. Yes, 1 pinch is enough for it. It gives good flavor to the rasmalai. Give it a good mix, and then add 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking powder to the milk powder. Give it a good mix with the help of a fork so that all the ingredients are well combined. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil to the milk powder. After adding the oil to the milk powder, mix well. You can use your hands here to make sure that everything is well mixed. Now you can see all the ingredients are well combined into it. Now we can move to the other segment. Crack an egg. See that the egg is large and it is at room temperature. You can have to beat it well with the help of a fork or a beater. Take a plate and just oil it with the help of a brush. Now add a well beaten egg into the milk powder. You can use your hands here. You can also add in batches. Here you have to be really quick, otherwise the dough will not be good. You don't need to make a perfect and crackless dough. Just see that all the ingredients are into a rough dough kind of a mix. Just remember to make a really quick dough. Start making small discs, and it can be little bigger or smaller as per your wish. I just made 13 or 12 discs over here. There can be some cracks and uneven. That is not a problem, it's okay. Just remember you're quick in making a dough and disc. If you keep all the ingredients ready and handy, it will be very easy and quick. Now add all the disc into the milk. As you can see, the milk is now saffron yellow in color. The goodness of saffron is into the milk, and this milk tastes really good. The rasmalais are increasing in their size. I have just flipped it once. Remember, the flame is not too high or not too low. It's medium flame here. Here I have poked the rasmalais with the knife so that if there are any lumps, if at all, so it will not be there anymore. Now you can see they are quite bigger in size now. They have doubled in size in fact. So it's time to remove the rasmalai from the stove. There are little bubbles on the top of the rasmalai which indicates they are perfectly cooked now. Do not overcook, otherwise these rasmalais will start breaking. Just switch off the stove and remove the rasmalais into a container and let it cool for 2 hours. Instead of making with the traditional way, we are making here with a milk powder, which is very quick, easy, and it gives you the same taste. So definitely it's a must try recipe. Add little milk on top so that they do not dry up. Now this milk have to be cooked until it is reduced to half and it little more thickens up. Now cover the rasmalai with the film so that it is not dried up. Now you can see this, I'm removing the cardamom pods from the milk. Now this milk have been reduced little and it is boiling and it is perfectly done for the rasmalais. As you can see, the milk is ready. Now we are going to add this flavored milk onto the rasmalais. Yes, this adds a good juiciness to the rasmalai. Now you can garnish with the slivered pistachios. You can also use any other dry fruit, whichever you want, whatever you want, like almonds or any other thing. But I have used here pistachios because it's green in color and it gives good color to the recipe. Now for serving, I am using a earthen pot here. You can use anything, it gives a good presentation to the dish. It looks so beautiful, so appetizing. You will grab your pot to eat this yummy recipe. Garnish it with some more pistachios and saffron. Wow, it looks so pleasing, so beautiful, and it gives a good impression on your guest, whoever is coming. It gives like an impression of made with perfection. Isn't that looking so beautiful and so perfect? Do try this recipe and do comment in the comment section below and let us know. Also subscribe to our channel and hit like if you really like this recipe. And it is so quick and easy. It's time for the taste test here. It is so soft and breaks easily. And let me try a bite. Wow, so appetizing, so tempting. It's so soft and melt in mouth. So friends, do try this easy and very yummy recipe. Till then, take care and masalam.